Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to set up or apply shipping charges for specific product category in cart page in WooCommerce WordPress. So when user or customer add product from specific category in cart page, then shipping charges replaced with new custom shipping charges. Now you see shipping flat rate. So when customer add product from specific category in cart page, then flat rate replaced with new custom shipping charges in cart page, and that shipping charges is static amount. So new custom shipping charges replaced with flat rate. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it, and then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section, open, and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you'll find this code in video description or in comment section. So after adding code, we are going to remove WooCommerce shipping zone cache. So in custom code we added target category slug digital product. Now go to product categories. Now you see digital product we added. So you can add product category name or slug according to requirement. Now back to code. Now you see custom shipping cost 10. So this is our static amount. So you can add $20 or $30 according to requirement. So this is our static amount. And then scroll down, you see code, and then you see if flat rate. So we are going to replace custom shipping with flat rate. Now go to WooCommerce, and then you see flat rate we are using in shipping zone. Now back to code. So you can add your shipping method here. We are using flat rate, and then you see custom shipping. So this is our custom text. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to WooCommerce shipping zone. So we are going to remove WooCommerce shipping zone cache. Now you see flat rate, disable, and then click on save changes. So after that we are going to enable again, and then click on save changes. Now settings saved, go to cart page. So this is our product from specific product category, movie download product. So this is our digital product. And then you see flat rate $20. Now refresh the page. And then you see $20 replaced with custom shipping $10. Now remove this. Again you see flat rate $20. Now undo. So after that we are going to place order. Now you see custom shipping, and then click on proceed to checkout. So we are in checkout page, and then scroll down. Now you see, and then select payment gateway, cash on delivery, enable this option, and then click on place order. Now you see order received done. So in this way you can add or set custom shipping charges for specific product category in WooCommerce WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.